Hey, good morning, folks. It is Wednesday morning here. Nick Slavik, proprietor of the Nick Slavik Painting and Restoration Company. I thought I would walk you through one of the coolest job sites that we're doing right now. This is a complete mahogany basement. We got a whole bunch of other stuff going on here, so I will flip this around and I will take you through here. So we have our containment area here with zip walled up. We have it open here so that we have some negative air pressure. Hey Russ Perry, how's it going? Thank you for watching. We have some negative air in my air scrubber going downstairs, so we want to suck the clean air out from here through the basement and then out through the basement doors again. So I'm going to crawl through the little trap door here, take you guys on a quick walk through. Okay, so coming down the stairs here, we have some oak treads we're going to do a decorative finish on. We're protecting those so they don't get any marks on them. We have all my samples. So the bottom one in here. There we go. Okay, so we have some burlap wallpaper here. This is Bear Schumacher burlap, and we will actually be enameling that gold. So let me find my gold sample. Where did our gold sample end up, guys? Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is really cool. I am going to be doing this to this ceiling here. So we have bare drywall, we have the bare burlap, we have oil primer, we have one coat of gold. See these guys doing a little bit of stain work here. We got our it's cramped down here, so we're working with what we can here. We've got an air scrubber plugging away down there, and we have a 30-foot hose behind it that's heading out through one of the basement windows out into the yard. So we're getting some good negative airflow here. We're applying our deep bronze kind of stain to this stuff to give it some age. And we'll wipe it. And you can see our finished product here. This is one of my little modular racking systems here. We're getting everything put up. We're putting some protective tape just so the stain doesn't react with the